Unlock a world of possibilities by creating your very own Google account today. First, navigate to the Google account creation page. You can find this by simply searching Create Google Account in your preferred search engine. You'll be prompted to enter your first and last name. Fill these fields accurately. Next, choose your username, which will become your Gmail address. You can select a suggested option or create a unique one. Now, it's time to create a strong password. Aim for a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Don't forget to confirm your password by typing it again. For enhanced security and account recovery, Google will likely ask you to add a phone number or an existing email address. This is crucial. If you ever forget your password, enter your birth date. This helps Google verify your age and provide age-appropriate services. Before finalizing, take a moment to review Google's privacy policy and terms of service. Once you're comfortable, click I agree. Congratulations, your Google account is now created. You can begin exploring Gmail, YouTube, Google Drive, and all the other amazing Google services available to you.